What's up, guys, and welcome back to another vlog. Right now we're about to go to a badass car meet. It's a little bit off the 45, so it should take like at least like 30 to 40 minutes to get there. So right now we're just pumping into the tire, and we came and got some drinks on the way there. And I'm here companion with two of my friends, Luhan and with Baby So. He's a gamer, so you know he's going pro. He's going pro next year. So yeah, so right now we just get in the car ready to go. Follow me on my Instagram. I'm gonna leave it down below, so you can go follow me on my Instagram. It's local vlogs 34, so don't forget. And I'll see you when I get there. What's up, guys? We has barely made it to the meet, and it's fucking packed. I mean, like, it's packed. We had to come park behind Orioso's, this fucking restaurant right here. But I'm here with my two friends, and they came, and so we're gonna go see the car meet right now. Oh shit, that's a Ford Lightning. And here's the little Ford Lightning. Yeah. You can see it. The Ford little Lightning. You probably be like, why he's recording? Ooh. Oh shit. Oh dude, that Ford Lightning sounds like the shit. That's 425 horsepower for you with that supercharger. Ooh boy. Let's see what we see. Man, it's full. Everybody's just in the way. Look at these replicas. Oh, did you hear that? I got smoked by one of those. I got smoked by one of those. Oh shit. Put some water on the wheels. So now we just here walking around. We're gonna walk ourselves around. Damn, fool. Oh man, I would like to have a 5.0. Ooh. Imagine how much trouble I would get with a 5.0, cuz. I should have brought my sweater. It's getting kind of cold. I'm shaking it. I actually regret not bringing a sheet. Look at that vet, nigga. Ooh, that vet. Damn, fool. I need one of those. Yeah, we have a nice system. Oh, ooh. Damn. Oh shit, we're here, Cam. We're here, Cam. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. You wanna get walked by B20? No, GTR. Huh? Oh shit, McLaurin. Oh shit! No fucking. Oh damn! Can't see it with the McLaurin. You can tell. We gotta try to get it pretty well. Get the motor. is fucking sick. Damn. That's your whip? Yeah. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Yeah, that's my car right here. Now.
Hey, you stand beside it like it's yours. Another GTR over here. Oh, damn. Oh shit, this is the Continental damn, of course the exhaust. Look at that. Okay, okay. What?
Where's that? Shit, no, it's slow.
Shelby Mustang. Damn. Oh, that 350, man. What, man? Then that 350, that's the one I won right there.
I don't know if someone did don't right there.
Oh, then look at that. Go for lining right there, boy. That's a girl? Damn. Little super.
Right? It's a girl?
Yeah, it's a girl. That's a lot of Hondas. This sounds badass. Yeah, that shit. Damn. Oh, what was that, man? That's embarrassing. Come on. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Ooh, for all the races out there. So what's up, guys? Right now we are leaving the meet. It was pretty good.
Not there, I don't think so.
Not bad, not bad, not bad. It was kind of a lot of replica rims over here too, and I was just like losing my spirit. So right now we're about to head out. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that like, and I'll catch y'all soon with another vlog.